In this problem, we're being asked to determine the convergence or divergence of the series given here, summation from n equals 1 up to infinity of 8. Intuitively, we should already have a sense that this series diverges, and that's because if we were to write this out, we would be adding 8 infinitely many times. And we know, of course, as we keep adding larger and larger values, this is going to push off to infinity, which would tell us that we are diverging. Now, we want to use a series test to actually prove this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use our divergence or the nth term test. So with this test, we take the limit as n goes to infinity of our term. So in our case, the a sub n that we're using is this 8. And so what happens when you take the limit as n goes to infinity of 8, you get 8, right? So there's no n in the problem, so this limit actually does not impact this at all. You get the original value. And according to the divergence test or the n-term test, when this limit is not equal to 0, you are guaranteed to diverge. So now we should wrap up with a more formal claim. I would say something along the lines of, since my limit as n goes to infinity of a sub n was equal to 8, which was not equal to 0, the series, and we can go ahead and restate the series as well so it doesn't hurt to give all of this information again. So since the limit as n goes to infinity of a to the n was not equal to 0, the series summation of 8 diverges according to the, and then whatever test we're calling this. So I'm going to call this the divergence test. We can also say divergence test, also call this nth term test, right?